Alright everybody, another finished project. 64 Chevy 2, also called a Nova. Originally it had a straight 6 engine, 2-speed Powerglide. So we had converted it over to a Chevy 350 with 350 horse, 700 R4 transmission, MSD ignition, aluminum radiator, electric cooling fans, serpentine belts, all the goodies. It was never a power steering car as far as, having a power steering pump and stuff, so it was always manual. Now it's been converted over to a power steering assisted car. Also power brakes. It used to have 4-wheel drum, so we've got power brake conversion on there. We also have 4-wheel disc conversion right on there, drilled and slotted, supplied by the customer.